Now we want to record the sound of beauty. What would you record for the sound of beauty?
If there was a way to record the sound of grace?
Jesus.
Ocean like crashing into one another.
Just children laughing and playing.
The piano.
A waterfall.
A waterfall and birds.
Probably like, you know how on TV, like they'll have angels coming down and bright light, and it's like, oh, like something like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say angels singing.
A harp.
The beach.
A violin.
The wind.
My brother singing.
I agree with the waterfalls and birds.
Waves.
You could record the sound of people sharing love with each other and just like being kind to one another. That'd be cool. And then I thought of the wind in the meadow. Kind of like if you could record that, that'd be cool.
I'd have to say my wife or girlfriend telling me she loves me.
I'd say Chopin's Fourth Blood.
I'd say the ocean.
My family at dinner when we're just having fun and laughing.
A newborn crying for the first time.
I'm just gonna say people laughing.
I was thinking about my family around the dinner table as well, but I think what takes precedence over that is my son laughing and just talking to me.
I would say the wind blowing against the trees.
Just the sound of nature in general.
Laughter. Paradise.
I like the idea of the waterfall and the birds.
Waterfall.